with us, Imran. Shifting focus now to some more big updates that we are now getting from Bihar. We are being told that Tej Pratap Yadav has quit as chief of the RJD youth wing. So the infighting within the RJD is now out in the open. Bihar Parivar is facing the war. That's the latest update that we are getting for our viewers. He has in fact put out a tweet as well. He has quit as the chief of RJD youth wing. Says, ignorant are those who find me ignorant. Sham, my colleague, is now joining us live for more on this. Sham, now there is a new headache in Bihar for the Mahagathbandhan because it seems that the sons of Lalu Prasad Yadav are divided.
Well, yes, absolutely. Tej Pratap Yadav, in fact, had taken a different path right from the beginning when Tejasvi Yadav was elevated to the post of Deputy Chief Minister. Then when the government broke, he was given the post of opposition of leader, which was disliked by Tej Pratap Yadav. And ever since we have seen that Tej Pratap Yadav has been taking a different path, he has been making controversial statements, he has been challenging Tejasvi Yadav at every stage. So certainly this was nothing new. Tej Pratap Yadav had wanted that two of his loyalists be given tickets from Jahanabad and Shivhar Lok Sabha constituencies, and in the morning he had said that he would hold a press conference. He had invited the media at 2:30, but it's being said that after the intervention of Lalu Prasad Yadav and Rabri Devi, Tej Pratap Yadav had to finally cancel his press conference, and now in the evening he has tweeted and said that he had resigned from as the convener of the students Chhatra Rashtriya Janata Dal, which is the students wing of the Rashtriya Janata Dal. Now let me tell you that Tej Pratap Yadav from one day has been seen that he was not being given that importance or that value which Tejasvi had been given. Tejasvi was being given. Tejasvi Yadav was taking all decisions. All the MLAs were reporting to him. Tejasvi Yadav was making all appointments in the party. He was the chief of the legislative party. So certainly this was being disliked by Tej Pratap Yadav. Tej Pratap Yadav wanted that even he be given some responsibilities in the party, and insiders in the family also say that Tej Pratap Yadav and Misa Bharti had clubbed together and they were posing a threat to Tejasvi Yadav. They were challenging Tejasvi Yadav at each and every step, and even this resignation of Tej Pratap Yadav is seen somewhere that Misa Bharti is playing behind the curtains. Misa Bharti is said to be the person who's playing behind the curtains and asking Tej Pratap Yadav to take such steps just to challenge Tejasvi Yadav and just to pose threat to Tejasvi Yadav.
Yes, but it's interesting how in the middle of this heated election season, Sham, this development is clearly going to be, in a way, a shot in the arm for Nitish Kumar and other political parties. Sham, can you hear me? Okay, I think we've got some problem with the audio line out there, but that's the big update, viewers, that we are now getting for our viewers. There is rift that is going on within the Lalu Yadav Parivar in Bihar, and that too in the middle of this election season. We are being told that Tej Pratap Yadav has quit as the chief of the RJD youth wing, and now this infighting between both the sons has come out in the open, and that's the biggest election controversy that we are breaking for you on Poll Pulse this evening. There is massive war in Bihar Parivar. That's something that we are seeing. Definitely it's going to be an advantage for Nitish Kumar and his political party, because this infighting clearly is going to divide, in a way, the vote bank as well of the RJD, specifically in Bihar. Sham is back with us. Sham, definitely this is going to be of big advantage to the Nitish Kumar camp.
Well, yes, absolutely. It is a big advantage for Nitish Kumar, BJP, the entire NDA coalition. On one hand, you have the infighting within the Congress parties, within the RJD and RLSP, the Mahagathbandhan seat. The Mahagathbandhan is still fighting over seats. Now, this is the nomination for the second phase of elections is on, but still the seats have not been decided in the Mahagathbandhan. So certainly the NDA here in Bihar is at an advantage here in Bihar. Today also we saw that how the Congress leaders were meeting Rahul Gandhi in Delhi senior Congress leaders from Bihar, not ready to give away the Darbhanga seat. Darbhanga seat was said to be a bone of contention. The RJD had clearly sent a message that they would not part with the Darbhanga seat, whereas the Congress had been saying that Darbhanga has been a traditional Congress seat and the party should be getting that Darbhanga seat. But certainly,
I'm just interrupting you there, Shyam. We have Sushil Kumar Modi, Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, joining us on the broadcast at this point in time. Mr. Modi, good evening. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. What do you make of this war in the Parivar of Lalu Prasad Yadav that we are seeing? Tej Pratap has now resigned as the chief of the RJD youth wing.
देखिए, ये केवल तेज प्रताप और तेजस्वी के बीच की लड़ाई नहीं है
जी।
तेज प्रताप इज एंग्री बिकॉज Chandrika Rai has been given ticket from Chhapra, and is the same Chandrika Rai whose daughter Aishwarya Rai has been married to Tej Pratap Yadav. And Tej Pratap Yadav has not visited his house in Patna for the last 4 months. And again, Misa Bharti is not in the list of star pracharak of RJD in Bihar. तो देखिए, जो घमासान बचा है लालू के परिवार में, इसकी तो ये परिणति होनी ही थी। और चाहे वो मुलायम सिंह का परिवार हो या कोई और परिवार हो, तो हर परिवार में घमासान मचा है। और बिहार के अंदर जो घमासान मचा, इसकी कीमत उनको चुकानी पड़ेगी, क्योंकि चंद्रिका राय जो है वो उनके ससुर हैं तेज प्रताप के
जी, और
उनकी बेटी से डाइवोर्स का केस चल रहा है तेज प्रताप का। और एक बात की तो मैं दाद दूंगा तेज प्रताप के बारे में
जी,
कि पटना में रहते हुए अब पिछले 6 महीने में वो अपनी माँ से मिलने के लिए भी और सर्कुलर रोड नहीं किया है। उल्टे राबड़ी देवी को मिलने के लिए और किसी जगह आना पड़ा था। ये तो देखिए, प्राचीन काल से चल रहा, औरंगजेब के जमाने से इस सत्ता के लिए सब कुछ होता है। ये तो संघर्ष चल रहा है महागठबंधन के भीतर, लालू परिवार के भीतर।
पर कितना बड़ा झटका है ये बिहार में, खास करके आरजेडी के लिए, लालू यादव के परिवार के लिए और महागठबंधन के लिए, जो अभी भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म पर नहीं आकर पहुंचा है। और जो ट्वीट किया है सुशील मोदी जी, तेज प्रताप यादव ने ट्वीट में कहा है कि नादान है वो लोग जो मुझे नादान समझते हैं, कौन कितना पानी में है सबकी खबर है मुझे। आपकी तरफ से किसकी तरफ इशारा कर रहे हैं तेज प्रताप यादव?
देखिए, एक चीज बता दूं मैं आपको
जी, कि
जो तेज प्रताप हैं वही वास्तव में, देखिए, एक तो वो बड़ा भाई है। तो हिंदू परंपरा में जो बड़ा भाई होता है वो वारिस होता है। तो बड़े भाई को छोड़कर छोटे भाई को बना दिया गया। ये कम से कम इंटर पास है, वो तो मैट्रिक पास भी नहीं है। और फिर तेज प्रताप यादव में वो सारे गुण हैं जो लालू प्रसाद यादव में है। और जिस अंदाज में भाषण करता है, उसके भाषण में जितनी तालियां बजती हैं और जितना नाटक लालू यादव करते हैं, उतना ही नाटक करने में तेज प्रताप यादव भी शामिल है। ये तो बिहार का दुर्भाग्य है कि जिन लोगों ने 15 साल राज किया, उनके परिवार की दुर्गति है कि भाई भाई लड़ रहा, भाई बहन लड़ रही है। मीसा भारती उम्मीदवार है पाटलिपुत्रा से और 40 के स्टार प्रचारक की सूची में और मीसा भारती का नाम तक नहीं है जी। ये जाने वो परिवार जाने, लालू जी ने जैसा परिवार पाल पोस कर बड़ा किया है, उसका भोगते परिणाम वो।
All right, Sushil Kumar Modi, appreciate you joining us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. And this is a massive political controversy in the middle of this election season, and it's going to have a lot of ramifications as well for various political parties.